Hello students, welcome to Future Doctor NEET Academy. Today I am going to give 7 problems in aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acid chapter. Okay, let us see the first question in the chapter. So the first question is, aldol condensation will not take place in dash. Okay, so we have condition for that aldol condensation. So option A, methanol, option B, ethanol, option C, propanol, option D, propanol. Next one, second question, if formaldehyde is heated with KOH, then we get option A, methane, option B, methyl alcohol, option C, ethyl formate, option D, acetylene. Next one, third one, ethane gives A when reacts with mercurous sulfate in presence of acid medium. Identify the compound A. That's the question. So option A, ethanol, option B, propanol, option C, propanone, option D, methanol. Next one, question number 4. Benzoic acid reacts with ammonia in presence of heat to get A. Then again, A gives B when reacts with sodium hypobromide. Okay. Identify A and B of the following. It's a question. So we have to find out A as well as B. Option A, benzamide and aniline. Option B, aniline and benzamide. Option C, benzaldehyde and benzylamine. Option D, benzaldehyde and acetophenone. Next one. Fifth question. The reagent used to distinguish acetaldehyde and benzaldehyde is dash. Option A, tolerance test. Option B, Felling's test. Option C, 2,4-D and P. Option D, semi-carbazide. Next one. Sixth one. An alkene A on ozolysis followed by zinc in presence of H2O to form propanone as well as ethanol. Identify the alkene A. So we have to find out only alkene. Okay. Which alkene undergo ozolysis to get this product. Okay. Option A, 2-methyl-butene. Option B, 2-methyl-1 or but-1-ene. Option C, pent-2-ene. Option D, pent-3-ene. Next one. Last question. Seventh one. Which one of the following reduces tolerance reagent? Option A, formic acid, option B, acetic acid, option C, benzophenone, option D, none of these. So students, these are the 7 questions. So the next day I will give the answer to this. Okay, thank you students.